Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to schedule a Google Meet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open the Google Meet app on your mobile device, which of course I've done right here. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account's credentials. Then go ahead and tap the new meeting button on the app's home screen. It is usually a prominent button at the bottom of the screen. So click on New. And once you click on New, that's going to walk you right into the next page. So from the menu that appears at the top of the screen, you see an option that says Schedule. So this action redirects you to the Google Calendar app. If the Google Calendar app isn't installed, you'll be prompted to install it. So I'm clicking on that and I'm clicking on Schedule. Now from here, you'll be prompted to enter the title. So enter a name for your meeting right here. And once you enter the name for your meeting, you have to specify if it is an event, a tax, or a birthday. So let's say meeting with team. So the next step is to tap the date and the time fields to set when the meeting will occur right here. So if you need a reminder for all day, just go ahead and toggle this on to set the reminder for all day, but then set the date here, the date and the time for the meeting. So tap the date and time field to set when the meeting will occur, adjust the duration as necessary. Then once you're done, here it says do not repeat, and that's where the alarm, that's the reminder comes from. If you do not want to repeat the events, just do not repeat. Then the next thing is to add people. So you have to invite people. So click on this add people option here to invite participants by entering their email addresses. You can add multiple attendees. So leave this as Google Meet default, since the meeting link will be auto generated. That's the video conferencing details. That's the add location, which you have here. You don't need to add any specific location again. So I'm just going to say while using the app so that it can. But then the other thing you have to do is to add the description if it is necessary. Then add a notification here if you want to add the notification 30 minutes before, or you can set the notification to something else. Then you can add attachments if you want to add attachments. So confirm the meeting link is automatically included in the location field, and tap the three dots menu at the top right corner if available to adjust additional settings like reminders or notifications. All of them are here. You don't need to tap the three dots menu. You can set add notifications, and you, of course, you can set your reminders from here under the add notification field. Now, after you're done and you're set, go ahead and tap the save button, which is at the top of the screen, and you'll be prompted to send invite to the guest. So go ahead and tap send to notify them via mail. Open the Google Calendar app. If you prefer starting there, tap the plus button or the create button, typically a large plus symbol at the bottom or the side. Select events from the options and follow the steps to complete the scheduling process. That's if you choose to use the Google Calendar app directly. So the Google Meet link will now be included in the calendar invitation, and participants can now join the meeting by clicking the link in the invite or the Google Calendar event. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.